It's so big. All right, I'm about to forget all my work and passwords. We're going on vacation. Here we go.
All right, folks, it's time to crank vacation mode to full blast. Buckle up and join our family as we hop aboard the Star of the Seas, Royal Caribbean's shiny new floating behemoth. As you step on board, you're hit with enough architectural wow factor to make your jaw drop harder than your luggage on the gangway. After the mandatory safety briefing, strut up to the Pearl Cafe, snag a tasty snack, and soak in the view while you wait for your stateroom to be ready.
For the kids, no washy-washy, no ice cream. For the adults, no washy-washy, no tequila, alright?
Washy-washy, we're so glad to see ya. Washy-washy, stop the spread of diarrhea.
It's 3 p.m. Time to sprint to our stateroom like we're racing for the last chair on the pool deck. The Star of the Seas has rooms for every vibe and budget, from the jaw-dropping ultimate family townhouse, yours for a cool $100,000 a week, to more wallet-friendly options like our Surfside family balcony stateroom. It's got a fold-out couch that makes the room feel like a cozy Tetris puzzle. But for our family of 4, it's perfect. Let's be real. Who's actually chilling in their room when there's a floating playground out there? Bring magnets and mesh shoe organizers. The walls are magnetic, so it's great for adding extra storage space. Oh, and don't forget to decorate your door. Unpacked, organized, and ready to roll, it's time to ditch the stateroom and explore the ship. I wonder if we'll see Sailor.
Sailor, where are you? Sailor!
We weren't the only ones excited to meet Sailor.
I am so serious, I dreamed of this dog last night.
Did you really?
I met him.
Did you really?
First time I met this boy.
A sailor, sailor, she likes cuddles and pets.
Meet Sailor, the Star of the Seas chief dog officer and fluffiest VIP. This adorable pup's job? Spreading joy like confetti since the ship's maiden voyage. She lives on board full-time, charming everyone with those puppy dog eyes. Now I'm missing my dog, probably hogging the couch back home. Sailor is in high demand, so there are no official meet and greets, but she is at some major shows and frequently walks on Deck 5 around the jogging track. Despite its massive size, navigating the Star of the Seas is surprisingly straightforward. Major entertainment venues, like the Royal Theater, AquaTheater, and Music Hall, are clustered at the front of the ship. The larger, complimentary dining options, including the Windjammer Buffet and main dining room, are located toward the rear. The exception is Absolute Zero, the ice skating arena, also at the back. Kids camps, such as Adventure Ocean and Social 020 for teens, are conveniently placed near the rear as well. With 22 elevators split between forward and aft atrium banks, moving across the Star of the Seas' 18 guest decks is seamless. In the elevator lobby, intuitive digital panels let you select your deck, and the system assigns an elevator, minimizing stops and wait times. You'll soon discover your favorite decks. We loved Deck 5, home to the lively Royal Promenade, where you can grab a Starbucks coffee, savor late-night pizza at Sorrento's, chat with guest services, or splurge on that tempting retail purchase. Deck 15 was another family favorite, with the Windjammer Buffet, the main pool, and stunning ocean views to soak in. From these two hubs, we could easily zip to other parts of the ship using the stairs for quick trips, and to burn off that midnight pizza. Speaking of midnight pizza...
All right, good morning. Day 3 aboard the Star of the Seas. We're going to try to get a little exercise on the track. Got a track that goes around most of the ship. We're going to stay on the slow section, give you a little tour of the track, having fun. Get a little jogging in right now. That humidity. Oh, you can feel it.
The outdoor track is a breezy 2-lane loop on Deck 5 running around the perimeter of the ship. One lane's for strolling and the other's for running. Like this guy. Zip around 2.5 laps, and boom, you've logged a mile with ocean vibes all around. If you're craving a little more resistance, the fitness center awaits at the ship's bow. A jaw-dropping gym with floor-to-ceiling ocean views that'll make you forget you're on a cruise ship. Packed with top-notch cardio gear, treadmills, ellipticals, rowing machines, and strength equipment, dumbbells up to 100 pounds, this place is a fitness lover's paradise. Trust me, it's swankier than most gyms I've ever sweated in. After crushing that workout, we've earned a guilt-free feast. Let's dive into the dining scene with gusto. With 12 complimentary options across the Star of the Seas, there's something for every taste and preference. From world-class dishes in the main dining room to juicy burgers at base camp after a fun day at the Waterpark. Craving something extra special? The Lincoln Park Supper Club offers an intimate evening of exquisite cuisine, craft cocktails, and sultry live jazz. Perfect for dressing up and making memories. Have you dined here? Drop your thoughts below.
Prowling round at midnight, stirring heat beneath the sky.
Be sure not to try the crepes in the Aquadome market until later in the cruise. Otherwise, you'll be eating them every day.
Walking into Back to the Future show. We're super excited. I got my Doc Brown shirt on. And really, the size of this theater is unbelievable.
For an unforgettable Broadway experience on board, the must-watch show of the cruise is Back to the Future, the musical, in the Royal Theater on Deck 5. Penned by the movie's original screenwriter Bob Gale, this thrilling production whisks you back to 1955 with Marty McFly and Doc Brown. With dazzling special effects, high-energy choreography, and iconic songs, the amazing cast brings the time-traveling DeLorean to life in spectacular fashion. My kids were so captivated by the humor and heart, perfect for all ages, they begged to watch all the Back to the Future movies when we got home. Reserve your seats early for this crowd-pleasing show. It's a cruise highlight you won't want to miss. Another unforgettable experience unique to Royal Caribbean is Torque, a breathtaking water show in the AquaTheater on Deck 15. This adrenaline-pumping spectacle features gravity-defying stunts, high dives, synchronized swimmers, dancers, and slackliners, all amplified by cutting-edge tech and vibrant visuals. With the splash of water and dazzling lights filling the air, the crowd gasps and cheers as performers soar above the pool, creating a high-octane experience that leaves everyone in awe. Reservations are recommended, but arrive early to snag a prime seat for this must-see show. Rounding out the main entertainment options, Seoul dazzles in the Absolute Zero venue at the rear of the ship. This red-hot ice skating show, featuring the fleet's largest ice cast, delivers extreme stunts and state-of-the-art projections in a high-energy celebration of the sun's journey from sunrise to sunset. Be sure to dress warmly for this unforgettable spectacle. Before you even set sail, join the Facebook group for your specific Star of the Seas sailing date. It's a goldmine for connecting with fellow cruisers, answering questions, and getting insider scoop, like when show bookings open. They even organized a hilarious matching men prank, where all the husbands rocked identical Hawaiian shirts.
There's more people at the shirt. Is it like a meetup at the shirt is what it is? Okay, that's what's going on. Of course, this is it. They got me too. Actually, a very brilliant prank. So, looking forward to see the photo on Facebook.
Let's dive into the unique neighborhoods that make Star of the Seas so special, each with its own vibe and charm. Here are a few standouts. Surfside, on Deck 7 at the rear, is a family-friendly haven. With a colorful splash pad, a whimsical carousel, an arcade, and the Surfside Eatery buffet, it's the perfect all-day hub for parents with young kids. Central Park, mid-ship on Deck 8, is an adult-focused oasis. This open-air park boasts lush greenery, upscale retail shops, and the sultry Lou's Jazz Club, ideal for a sophisticated evening. Chill Island, spanning decks 15 and 16, lives up to its name. Unwind by the pool or hot tub and sip a refreshing drink. My favorite? The signature cocktail at the Lime and Coconut. Thrill Island on Deck 16 is a thrill seeker's paradise for older kids and teens. It's home to the main water park, a rock wall, and mini golf for non-stop fun. Let's dive deeper into Thrill Island. The Category 6 water park packs a punch with 6 thrilling slides, from high-speed racers to twisty tubes. Still in your swimsuit? Hop on the FlowRider surf simulator. It was our first time giving it a spin, and despite a few wipeouts, the whole family nailed it. Next, dry off and conquer the rock wall. This craggy course offers unmatched views from the ship's peak. Pick your difficulty and race to the top. Craving more adrenaline? Strap in for Crown's Edge, a daring overwater obstacle course.
Make sure you make a reservation for Crown's Edge. Make sure you have closed-toed shoes, hair tied up, no glasses, or glasses need to be secured.
I'll admit, I chickened out, but the kids couldn't get enough of this heart-pounding challenge. For traditional sports, the sports court is a hotspot for basketball and pickleball, while the shipwreck-inspired Lost Dunes mini golf course is a family favorite. Yay! Oh, and don't miss the daily ping pong matches, my son's new favorite sport. Beyond Thrill Island, the Star of the Seas is bursting with hidden gems. Here's a quick rundown of other must-try activities: competitive laser tag, ice skating, a mind-bending escape room, creative craft workshops, classic redemption games in the arcade, a whimsical carousel, adrenaline-pumping archery, and sub-soccer, a unique twist on soccer. So much to do, so little time. What's your favorite ship activity? Let us know below. With so much to do on board, it's easy to forget you're on a cruise ship sailing to vibrant Caribbean destinations. Departing from Port Canaveral, Florida, just a 45-minute drive from Orlando International Airport, the Star of the Seas offers 2 alternating 7-night itineraries to the Eastern or Western Caribbean. Both include a stop at Royal Caribbean's private island, Perfect Day at Coco Cay, where kids can splash in the thrilling water park while adults unwind by the serene lagoon.
We're having so much fun. This is the best water park ever. The 2 water slides, and then the one with the mat. Now we've got this adventure pool area and the wave pool. We haven't even done everything yet. We've got zip lines. I'm taking a break. This is chill right here because I'm going to do the little adventure pool area ninja courses.
Boarding and disembarking are a breeze, with seamless processes and escalator access to the gangway. No pesky stairwells like on older ships. It's smooth sailing from start to finish. As we wrap up our Star of the Seas adventure, we thought we had it all figured out, but these hidden surprises totally caught us off guard. Here's a quick rundown of the onboard magic that made our trip unforgettable. A spine-chilling Halloween parade down the Royal Promenade, with costumes galore and tricks or treats for all ages. The kids were in heaven and even participated in the parade. Not 1, but 2 epic balloon drops, including the festive birthday bash where confetti exploded like fireworks. The full-blown Odyssey parade, a dazzling production with King Atlantis on a quest for the lost royal scroll, pure theatrical wonder. A mesmerizing blacklight puppet show that glowed with otherworldly vibes, leaving us all spellbound under the UV lights. Swashbuckling fun in Pirates and Mermaids, an AquaTheater extravaganza blending dives, dances, and a heartwarming tale of treasure beyond gold. And don't miss the theme nights. Glow in all white for White Night, Channel Island vibes at Caribbean Night, or flashback to the 2000s with neon and pop at Y2K Night. The energy was off the charts. These little, or not so little extras, turned good into epic. What surprise would you chase on your next cruise? Drop it in the comments. And thanks for joining our starry sail. See you on the high seas.